Berardi Immigration Law is a great resource for the latest in immigration news and trends. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps out the channel. And click that notification bell so you never miss a video from Berardi Immigration Law.
Hi, I'm Gabriella, and I'm an attorney with Berardi Immigration Law. As you can imagine, the pandemic threw a major wrench into immigrant visa processing and adjustment of status applications for those seeking permanent residence in the U.S. With embassies and consulates all but shut down for months on end, hundreds of thousands of applicants are still awaiting issuance of their immigrant visas and green cards, as compared to roughly only 60,000 pending cases at any one time pre-pandemic. It follows that in 2020 and 2021, hundreds of thousands of visa numbers went unissued and unused, thereby opening up green card issuance opportunities for non-citizens stateside in 2021 and 2022. Issuance of green cards and immigrant visas are often determined by the Visa Bulletin, a creation whereby green card wait times are determined by one's priority date, which is the original date of filing the preliminary steps to the green card process. Under the Visa Bulletin, predetermined numbers of visas are allotted to certain countries per year. The Visa Bulletin provides distinct filing or adjudication cutoff dates for adjustment of status or immigrant visas by preference category for employment or family-based green card matters. Employment-based preference categories are numbered 1 through 5, although it is the second and third preference categories, EB2 and EB3, that tend to be most commonly utilized among non-citizen workers. Historically, EB2 has often been the faster processing of the two categories. However, in October 2020, a dramatic shift to the Visa Bulletin occurred. EB3 suddenly was processing much faster, and non-citizens with an approved EB2 petition found themselves eligible to adjust their status under the EB3 category per the Visa Bulletin. EB2 candidates are naturally eligible for the EB3 category. So after the October 2020 Visa Bulletin was published, thousands of applicants rushed to submit EB3 downgrade petitions. Downgrade petitions are essentially Form I-140 petitions where we seek to either issue a new or amended I-140 approval in the EB3 category without having to file another perm. Downgrade petitions are typically filed with adjustment of status applications. This theoretically leads to quicker green card issuance as well as faster interim employment authorization cards should they wish to change employers. Unfortunately, most of the individuals who submitted EB3 downgrade petitions in 2020 then waited and waited and waited for the green cards they were led to believe would come faster. Then, in January 2022, USCIS announced that it was once again able to faster process adjustment of status applications filed in conjunction with an EB2 petition, rather than EB3 as indicated in October 2020. As you can imagine, all those individuals who filed downgrade petitions in 2020 now rushed to connect their prior EB2 approvals to their now pending adjustment of status applications once their EB2 priority dates became current. To make this connection, individuals submit an interfile request, a written request to USCIS that includes copies of one's EB2 approval and evidence of a pending or approved EB3 and adjustment of status filings, along with Form I-485J, which is confirmation of bona fide job offer or request for job portability under INA Section 204J. Further, anyone who files an amended I-140 downgrade will need to file another amended I-140 upgrade back to EB2, along with the interfile request. This is dense, I know, but I'm glad to report that most of my clients who submitted an interfile request are receiving their green cards faster than those with EB3-based adjustment of status applications. So, if you are stuck in the never-ending visa backlogs and are looking for a way out, please contact our firm. Let us help bring you to the finish line.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that notification button so you never miss one of these important updates. Also, check out the Berardi blog that's on our website at berardiimmigrationlaw.com. The blog is updated 2 to 3 times a week, contains tons of up-to-date information on policies and trends. You won't want to miss it.